skies turning gray, gathering clouds like a stormy day. Wind starts to whisper, gets louder and bolder. Feeling the tension, the unease is almost bold. Leaves dance in the breeze, but soon they'll fall. As the storm draws near, I can feel it all. Inside my heart, a tempest brews. Anticipation building, I'm starting to lose. Here comes the storm, on the horizon so near. The clouds gather, the wind starts to steer. Feel the unease, the tension rise. On the horizon, the storm's about to arise. Night falls, the darkness creeps in. The storm's just waiting to begin. Inside my soul, a turmoil starts. Emotions swirling, I can't quite be apart. Raindrops start to fall, a soft tap, tap, tap. But soon they'll turn into a heavy clap. Inside my mind, a battle rages. Feel the unease as the storm approaches. Feel the pressure as the wind kicks up. The storm is afoot and I'm not sure what to do. Inside my heart, the storm's brewing, a tempest rising, no sign of ceasing. Here comes the storm, on the horizon so clear. The clouds gather, the wind starts to steer. Feel the unease, the tension rise. On the horizon, the storm's brewing, a tempest rising, no sign of ceasing. Here comes the storm, from the horizon so clear. The clouds gather, the wind starts to steer.